we are learning here the fundamentals, technical fundamentals, if you can call it this way, for what's happening to us, because nevertheless the wisdom of Kabbalah, it's a wisdom because it speaks of the desire, the force. And forces are the foundation of reality, of nature. So we have the force of reception and force of bestowal and everything that's happening between them. That's it. The force of bestowal is the first force, the force of reception is the second force that comes out as opposite to the force of bestowal. And then between these two forces, somehow through the resistance between them and the balance between them, in their relationships exist all the forms that the will to receive and will to bestow can construct between them, play between them, arrange them. So let's keep learning what's happening with all of reality as a result of these two forces.